Educating students takes the participation of all stakeholders, from community members to parents, and one way to build that connection with all these stakeholders is having a strong teacher website. And I'm going to show you how to build one with Canvas Pages on this week's episode of PDL Techniques. As a teacher, having a website allows me to build a connection with parents and other outside stakeholders. I can post important information like forms, links to available resources, as well as pictures of activities that are going on in my classroom. Canvas Pages is a CMS supported platform that will allow me to begin building your teacher website. It will allow for various types of content, including text, images, and hyperlinks. To begin making a Canvas page inside of Canvas, first you need to go into Canvas and then select the course where you want to begin building your page. I'm going to select my sandbox, and in my navigation menu on the left hand side I'm going to select Pages. Then I'm going to click the blue button that says View All Pages. If you have never created a page inside your course, it will take you directly to this blue button here to add a new page. If you have created a page in your course before, you will see that View All Pages button, and then you'll be able to click this blue Add Page button. That will bring you to your content editor where you can give your page a name, and now you can begin adding content into your editor like text. When you add text, you have all the formatting features that you're accustomed to, including your bolds and your underlines, your alignments, as well as your listing options. One of the features that we do recommend for readability is that you utilize the header options that you have down here. You can simply select your text and then choose one of the header options below. I'm going to apply a header for all my text and my title up at the top. You also have the ability to add tables either as organization or as a way to list things for individuals to view. To add a new table, you can go up to the table link down here at the bottom, or this button, and you can select the drop down arrow, go to tables, and then now you can drag to the size that you want for your table to be. I'm going to choose a 3x2 table, and now I have the ability to begin adding images as well as text to my table. As you can see, I've quickly popped in 2 images into my table. To insert an image, you can go over here at the right hand side to these tabs here, and you can select images, and you can either search Flickr for an image, or you can upload an image that you have on your computer. You can also click inside the box where you want the image to appear, and you can choose this image icon over here on the side, and now that gives you to insert an image either using the URL, allowing you to find one on the web and copy and paste the URL into your Canvas page. You can choose the Canvas tab, and then you can upload an image that you have already put inside of Canvas, or again you have this Flickr tab where you can search inside of Flickr for images. I'm going to search for an image inside of Flickr. Once you select an image, you'll see it automatically comes with an alt text. You can alter this if you want to, but this is a very important thing to make sure that you include in all your images. Luckily for this one, we have one already set for us. It also gives you your dimensions, and once you have it ready, you can hit update, and it will then insert that image into your table. As you can see below each image, I've added some text to go along with it. You can also insert links inside of your page as well. I can link either my image or as well as my text for my users to click on to go to an external site. To insert a link into your page, select the object that you want to be linked, either the text or the image, and then you're going to select this link to URL button, and then you'll be able to copy and paste the URL into this box. When you hit Insert Link, you'll see a yellow box flash in front of the object that you selected, and now you have successfully linked it. To save your page, simply go down to the bottom and hit the blue button that says Save. As you start the planning stages of building your teacher website through Canvas Pages, you can construct a separate Canvas course. This will prevent the contents of your course, like your assignments, your discussions, from being publicly visible. If you want to create a new course for your Canvas page, simply click on the CMS folder in the bottom right-hand corner of Canvas and then select the Create a Sandbox Course button. Now, Canvas pages will allow you to embed different media options like videos inside your course as well. You can insert video inside your page, or you can create one on the fly. To embed content inside your Canvas page, simply go back to your page, select Edit to begin editing your page. Move your cursor to the space where you want to embed content, and now you have a couple of different options in terms of how you can begin embedding this content into your Canvas course. You do have a Insert/Edit Media option to start embedding different items like videos inside of your Canvas course. You can select this object, and in the first tab in the general, you can copy and paste the URL of a media option like a YouTube example. I can select OK once I've pasted it in there, and now it will embed that video inside of my Canvas course. You'll also notice if I go back to my Insert and Edit Media option, I do have additional options for embed, where I can copy and paste embed codes to objects, and I do have advanced options for additional features. You also have the ability to record or upload your own media in here as well. So you'll notice over here on the side there is a Record/Upload Media option. I can select that. It's going to ask for access to my camera, and now from here I can record myself and send a message to my parents and or students directly from here. I can also just do a audio recording by selecting the microphone on the side, and now I can do a voice recording. You'll also notice an Upload Media tab over here as well. So if you already have content that you already saved on your computer, you can just upload it from here as well. If you're accessing Canvas from a mobile device, you can record and upload videos from your phone as well. Now, once you have arranged your contents in your page, you're now ready to make it public. To make your Canvas page public, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that it is first published. To do that, you will just go down to your page, or you can go to Pages, and then you can select View All Pages and pull that page back up. You can also, right from here, once you find the page, you can check off this box here to make sure that it is published. You'll see it should be green when you click on it. You will also want to make sure that your course itself is also published. You can go to check that, you can go to Home, and you can make sure that this box over here is green and says Published on it. Once you have both of those things selected, you can now make your course public. To do that, in your navigation menu, you're going to scroll to the bottom and choose Settings. From the Course Details tab, you will want to scroll down until you get to the Visibility option, and then you're going to choose Public under that option, and then click the blue button that says Update Course Details. And now your course is public, and so now from the home screen, you can take the URL up at the top and give that to individuals to click on to access your public Canvas course. Once your course is public in Canvas, make sure to share the URL to your course to your school's webmaster so they can post it on your school site. Well, that's going to do it for this week's episode. Make sure to check us out next week for another episode of PDL Techniques.